Hey folks, Brock with Arcan RV here. We're going to debut the brand new 2021 Winnebago Voyage 2831 RV rear bath setup here on this one. So just want to touch on some new features for Winnebago here. They changed their front cap, was always painted before, but it's now black. One-piece painted front cap with some really nice LED lighting there. Brand new graphics package as well. Voyage comes standard with two 30-pound propane tanks there for you, and they also do have the option to put a stabilizer system in here, which we did. It's the 5.1 BAL stabilizing system. It allows you to control all your electric jacks from one place, including your power jack. Fantastic option there. It does allow you to control them individually as well, so if you're on uneven ground, very easy to set up. We walk around to the back side here. Massive feature with Winnebago here is their universal docking center. So this is going to be all your, your freshwater city water connections, your hot and cold outside shower, as well as your battery disconnect. You got a 110 and your TV and antenna connections back here as well. Now this one is equipped with solar. We do have two 100-watt solar panels already mounted and installed on the roof for you in this coach. And here's where your controller is, showing you where your battery levels are at. Massive windows because of that exterior height. They're able to put some really nice large windows, allowing for a ton of natural light coming into the unit there for you. As we walk around to the back here, this is a 50 amp connection back here, standard with Winnebago and the Voyage line. They do come with a 15,000 BTU AC, and you can get the secondary AC as an option in the 13,500 BTU. It is already prepped as well for a second AC if that's needed. Coming around to the back here, equipped standard with the ladder, fully walkable roof on these guys here as well, and you do have a 2-inch receiver already done in the back here, welded to the frame. So if you have like any a bike rack or a small little tote that you're going to be towing with the trailer, you can do so with that. So as we walk around to the front side here, now you're going to notice right away it's a 2 entry door trailer. So your first main entry here is going to have your solid steps. Second is going to have your aluminum steps there for you. On the outside here, you've got the extra large grab handle, full length LED lit awning there for you. That is power coming down the side of the coach. And it is equipped with Azdel walls as well. So very, very friendly as far as the environment, lighter weight. And obviously water resistant. Heaven forbid you were to have some sort of water leakage within your walls there. Now you got 15-inch tires on the outside here. They are an E-rated tire on an LSP rating, which is good up to about 75 miles an hour. So super safe RV to be traveling down the highway there for you. Exterior-wise, you're going to have your exterior speakers. You're going to have your inside speakers there for you as well. And along to the front side of the RV here, this is where I want to kind of debut their drop frame technology. So it's on a drop frame chassis here, giving you an extremely large pass-through compartment that's fully finished with LED lighting in there for you as well. Now with the pass-through compartment, as per Winnebago, everything's going to be latch baggage doors there for your convenience. Extra thick 2-inch baggage doors there for you too. Let's step inside the coach and have a look at the interior. So immediately as you come inside here, 30-inch entryway that we just came through there. So anything that you're going to be loading inside here can be easy access through the door there for you. Immediately you're going to see the large bathroom here. They're doing an extra large shower with glass door. You've got a ton of storage space inside the bathroom. You got 4 banks of drawers and some linen closets there, towel rack, and nicely appointed sink with vanity as well. Toilet is situated at an angle, and it is a porcelain toilet as well, so it's nice and clean. They did do the pocket door. They just wanted to make sure that no doors were getting in your way, and just to make the living space a little bit more open as well. Now, right inside the entranceway here, you're going to see that you've got a walk-in pantry. I mean walk-in pantry. You could absolutely walk into this. You got some coat hooks on the side here as well for hanging your coats. This is a really good place for you to be able to put your shoes, kick them off so they're not sitting inside the RV there for you. Fantastic addition from Winnebago there for you. So this one is equipped with the theater seating there, fully reclinable theater seating there for you. Equipped with cup holders, little cubby for your knickknacks and what have you there as well. And this is a good chance for you to be able to see the massive windows that Winnebago's put in here in the Voyage, taking advantage of those 7-inch ceilings. Great maple looking hardwood here on the inside there. Really ties in nicely with the floor, the walls, just giving you more of a modern looking RV, that's for sure. So just over here you're going to see the massive TV along with the fireplace right below, which is going to produce about 5,500 BTUs worth of heat. So if you're hooked up and you're not wanting to run your furnace off of propane, this is a great source to be able to heat your RV without having to run your furnace there. Now, Winnebago's idea was to keep things clean. So as you can see, there's no registers on the floor here. Everything is off the ground. And in fact, what they're doing is they're actually having some of the hot air forced through the bottom of the coach. So instead of having a register or ducted off the ground here, they're actually forced hot air from underneath the fireplace here, which is a nice little touch there as well. So, option with Winnebago Voyage is the larger fridge or the 8 cubic foot fridge. We've chose to give you more fridge. So this is a 12 cubic foot RV that's a gas electric fridge there for you by Dinette. Really nice feature from Dinette here as well is they don't kind of pigeonhole you with their freezer. They make it a full pass-through on the freezer here, so you can have larger items in there and you're not just kind of limited to 2 different storage compartments there. 3-burner cooktop stove with glass insert to give you a little bit more counter space, some nice blue accent lighting on the stove there as well. And you got a 30-inch convection microwave that's coming standard with Voyage as well. You've got the one-piece stainless steel kind of farm style sink there with the nice pull-down spray faucets. More of your amenities that you're going to have inside your house, bringing inside your RV. Just making things a little bit nicer there for you, looking really nice and clean as well. Cabinetry's got some really nice glass inserts in here. Now they've, by design, made the cabinetry a little bit different as far as depth. This one here, they've got the more deeper inserts here, so that's going to be, you know, for more of your plates and those kind of different things. They're going to fit in there nicely. Up here, not quite as deep, but that's the way that they've designed it. This is going to be for more of your Tupperware, your glasses, those kind of things there. So just really kind of giving you an idea of how to set up your RV. As well as a full bank of drawers, full extension roller glides here, and then some nice storage angled in here. They could have just left that without a drawer, and on the back side here as well. So new to Winnebago this year in the Voyage line as well are their dinettes. Not only do you get your storage underneath, you've got a really nice looking dinette here that is called the Dream Dinette now. Now what this does here is it's got a little lever, unlock, lock in place. Very easy. So if you need that extra, I don't know, sleeping capacity within the RV there, makes it easy without the pedestals, and then you're not just banging your knees all over the place inside the coach here as well. So we'll have a look at the bedroom. So with Winnebago and the Voyage line here, we did do the king size bed option on this unit here. So all your LED lighting, your traditional storage in the bedroom here for hanging your coats or your shirts, all your clothing. You got your storage above as well, and then they've got on both sides of the bed here the ability to be able to put you know, a CPAP machine, your cell phones, your knickknacks, all those kind of different things there. You do have USBs and 110 plugins in your bedroom here as well. And then you've got a nice kind of, you know, linen closet here for additional shirts, additional storage within the bedroom here, which is a fantastic option from Voyage as well there. Now this wall is backed for another TV, no worries there, and then you've got your connections on top. As well as within the bedroom here, you've got an electric fan, so you can run that, getting you a little bit more circulation, and with the large windows on both sides here, you get a bunch of cross ventilation within the bedroom as well. So I think that about wraps it for the new 2021 Voyage 2831 RV. Once again, Brock with Arcan RV. Give us a call if you have any questions, or you can visit our website at arcanrv.com. Thank you very much.